Number 2, test the functionality of universal logic gates. We know that there are two universal logic gates, that is NAND gate and NOR gate. Now these two gates are known as universal logic gate because any Boolean expression can be implemented with the help of only NAND gate or only with the help of NOR gate. Therefore these two gates are known as universal logic gates. So in this experiment you have to verify first universal logic gate, that is NAND gate, IC number is 7400, and second universal logic gate, that is NOR gate, whose IC number is 7402. So let us see the first NAND gate, IC number 7400. This is also having 4 gates inside single IC. Pin number 1 and 2 are inputs, pin number 3 is output. Similarly for all other gates, pin number 14 is VCC, pin number 7 is ground. Logical expression for NAND gate, y is equal to a into b complement. Now let us see the theoretical truth table for NAND gate. A, B, 0, 0, output y is equal to 1. When A and B both are 0, 0, then 0 into 0 is 0, its complement is 1. Next is 0, 0, 1. For this combination, again output is equal to 1. So here we can say that if any one input is 0, output is equal to 1. So for first three combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, one of the input is 0. Since one of the input is 0, its complement will be equal to 1 and therefore all the outputs are equal to 1. Now for last combination, that is 1, 1, 1 into 1 is 1, its complement is 0. So for last combination 1, 1, output is equal to 0. So it is exactly opposite to that of the AND gate. In AND gate, if any one input is 0, its output is 0. In case of NAND gate, if any one input is 0, its output is 1. So it is exactly opposite to that of AND gate, and that's why it is called as not AND. NAND stands for not AND. So this is the theoretical truth table for NAND gate. Now next is NOR gate. IC number is 7402. Here pin configuration, pin number 1 to 7, pin number 8 to 14. That is again 14 pin IC. Here input and outputs are different, that is pin number 1 is output and pin number 2 and 3 are the input. Here 4 is output, 5 and 6 are input, pin number 7 is ground. Similarly for remaining 2 gates, that is pin number 8 and 9 are input, pin number 10 is output, 11, 12 are inputs and pin number 13 is output and pin number 14 is VCC. Output expression or logical expression for NOR gate is y equals to a plus b complement. So again verify the truth table, theoretical truth table. A, B equals to 0, 0. So 0 plus 0, that is 0, its complement is 1. That is first combination 0, 0. Second combination is 0, 1. For this 0 plus 1, that is 1, its complement is 0. Third combination 1, 0. 1 plus 0 is 1, again its complement is 0. And last combination 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is 1, its complement is 0. So here we can say that if any one input is equal to 1, its output is equal to 0. So again it will perform exactly opposite operation to that of the OR gate. In OR gate, if any one input is 1, its output is 1. But in case of NOR gate, if any one input is 1, its output is 0. So this is the theoretical truth table for NOR gate. Now let us verify this truth table with the help of practical. For that we require IC 7400 and 7402. Let us see the connections. This is NAND gate, IC number 7400, pin number 1 and 2 are inputs, pin number 3 is output. So again, just like previous experiment, let us connect inputs to the input switches, that is pin number 1 and 2 are connected to input switches and pin number 3 are connected to the output section, that is LED. Now as per truth table, first combination, that is 0, 0. For 0, 0 combination, output LED is turned on, that means output is equal to 1. Now second combination is 0, 1 combination, output is equal to 1. Third combination is 1, 0, again output is equal to 1. And now last combination, that is 1, 1, output is equal to 0, LED is turned off. So we can say that if any one input is equal to 0, its output is equal to 1. And if both the inputs are 1, 1, then its output is equal to 0. That is, it can be proved that its operation is exactly opposite to that of the AND gate. So this is the verification of NAND gate. Now next is NOR gate. So second is NOR gate. Here IC number is 7402. Here connections are different, that is pin number 1 is output, pin number 2 and 3 are input. Now let us verify for one gate. So again connect input to pin number 2 and pin number 3 and connect output, that is LED, to pin number 1. Again for 4 different combinations we will check the output. First combination, that is both the inputs are 0, 0, its output is 1. Then second combination 0, 1, if you press the switch it will become 1. So for 0, 1 combination output is 0, LED is turned off, LED remains off, so output is equal to 0. Third combination 1, 0, again LED is off, therefore output is equal to 0. And last combination, that is 1, 1, again LED is off, therefore output is equal to 0. So whenever both the inputs are 0, 0, output is 1, and for other combinations, that is when any one input is 1, output will remain off, that is LED will remain off, that means we will get output equals to 0. So thus this is also practically verified. Theoretical truth table is verified practically. This is the observation table. Again for 4 different combinations, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, then 1, 0 and 1, 1 combination. You have to note down the status of the LED as well as the output voltage. For both the gates, that is NAND gate IC number 7400 and NOR gate IC number 7402. Generally for whenever LED status is on, output voltage is more than 2 volt or 3 volt. Here we are getting 3.6 volt as output, and when LED status is off, then output voltage, that is 0.1. So you can measure the output at output pin with respect to ground. Similarly, in the same way, you have to note down the readings for NOR gate, that is IC number 7402.